Alright, so this is the signal that we have recorded. We can see that we have recorded the go forward signal and then go backward and then go to right or move the wheels to the right side and then move the wheels to the left side. Now let's talk about these frequencies a little bit. You can see that we have a binary in here of 0 and 1s, and once we select this part, for example, it's going to select the binary in here and specify or show us the binary that belongs to this signal. Now of course we can zoom in by holding the Command and Shift key and then plus on Mac, for example. I don't know how we can do it on Windows, I haven't tried it yet. But once we zoom in, for example, we can see that we have some peaks. And the peaks that are up actually are for 1s, and the one that are down, that are like lower or under this red line, are 0s, and this is our signal. And now please keep in mind that this signal is not going to be changed. Every time we capture this signal, these binary are going to be the same. But in rolling code, every time you press the key, this binary key is going to be different from the previous one. So now we can see that we have some empty lines in here, or this is like a recorded signal that we don't need. If we want, we can crop it out and just select the part that we needed. For example, we can select this part and then right click and then say crop to selection. And as you can see, now we have only this selection. We don't have any empty parts. So here we go. I'm going to move the car because you can see here that we have an antenna, and make sure that you extend the antenna that comes with the HackRF. So here we have the antenna of the car. I'm gonna put it in here, or just like put it just like this. And now when we press on the replay and then select our device and then now say start, you can see that it's moving. And now forward and then right and then left, and now it's going to repeat the signal. And you can see that we are not using the remote control that comes with the car. All what we are doing is just use the HackRF One to send this exact same radio frequency that we have previously recorded from the actual remote control that comes with the car. So I hope you enjoyed this short series or mini series on how we can use the HackRF to perform replay attack, to record the signal and then transmit it again. Of course, we can do a lot of things using the HackRF. Please let me know if you are interested. I can make a full course on using the HackRF and the cool things actually we can do with the HackRF. Please, if you liked this content, you can invite your friends to subscribe to the newsletter and make our family much bigger than before, and we all get advantage and learn together.